My name is Zemfira de Jong. I am a yoga teacher and I am official yoga trapeze teacher. I was many years in classic ballet. Because of injury I have to stop. But because I like to dance, I like sport, I continue in my education in this direction. So I was teaching aerobics, I was teaching dancing. And when I hear about yoga trapeze, teacher training, of course, I want to follow. And my family supports me because this has given me big opportunity to follow my dreams, to open my studio. I opened my studio from 2nd January 2017, even not 3 months, and I already have my evening classes full. I try always to search something new, to learn some new stuff, to make my lessons more interesting, to have good quality as yoga teacher.
I was a journalist for many years, but searching for something else to do. And when I started yoga, everything fell into place. So now I can do what I love the most, both yoga and to write. My name is Hege. I'm from Lillehammer, Norway, and I work as a yoga teacher and writer. Hønsehuset, it's a really cozy place that was actually built to be a chicken farm. And the environment or the atmosphere in that house is really harmonic and almost spiritual. So it's a great place to get to work there.
My name is Renee. I'm from Linden, New Jersey, and I'm a yoga trapeze instructor. I discovered the yoga trapeze on Facebook. Scrolling one day, I saw the advertisement on the side, and it said, try the trapeze 30 days for $1, and that it alleviated back pain. And I was struggling with my back pain at that point in my life, and I was desperate, and I said, let's give it a try. And I tried the trapeze, and I loved it. I currently teach at 3 studios and a franchise gym, Retro Fitness in Woodbridge. It's great to work in different studios because there's a different demographic and you meet different people. I work with teenagers in the studio that I work farther from, and it's just a lot of fun to meet new people and share the trapeze with them. Regarding my achievements, I haven't even had a chance to really set in and really think how far I've come. Since my training in January, I just keep going. I keep reaching out to studios to see if they want to offer trapeze. I come across a lot of other opportunities just reaching out to business owners. And I'm very grateful for that. I actually was able to quit my full-time job and teach yoga trapeze full-time. And I'm so grateful that I get to share the yoga trapeze with anyone that's interested in it. And that's my goal, is to share the yoga trapeze with everyone that I can.
My name is Sam Applin. I'm currently from the UK, but now living in Marbella, Spain, and I'm a yoga trapeze instructor. I start my day answering any queries or emails, and then I pack up the trapezes and take them to my first class.
Slowly with control, allow the feet to come to the mat. Stop your feet there and just...
After the class, I'll either come home and post some pictures on Facebook or Instagram for getting new clients so they can see what we actually do in yoga trapeze, or I'll prep for private class or the class later on in the day. How do I feel about my accomplishments? I've surprised myself in what I'm capable of doing and learning. I feel that my training with YOGABODY has given me more confidence and I feel more empowered within myself. I feel I've achieved a lot in the last 6 months, and I'm hoping I'm going to achieve even more in the next 6 months.
We're Raina and Lee Beckler from Fallbrook, California, and we're the owners of Sage Yoga Studios in North San Diego County. We discovered the yoga trapeze through one of our yoga students. She came to us with this great idea about this thing called the yoga trapeze, and she said, you gotta check it out. This thing looks like a lot of fun. You get to hang upside down and swing. So we did, we looked into it and thought it was a great idea and jumped right in.
What we're finding with the yoga trapeze is a long laundry list of clients that can benefit from it, whether it's strength training, who are trying to wake those muscles up we haven't used in a while, people with back issues that need some relief from spinal tension. We can do an inversion and take benefit of the traction. And we're also finding even if we're elderly and maybe some of those more challenged, we can use it as a balancing tool as well.
A typical day at the studio, it's very busy. I'm here for all of the classes, making sure I get to talk to all the students that come through our doors, making them feel welcome and comfortable. I teach sometimes 3 classes a day, so I stay pretty busy, but I love it. It's a lot of fun.
My family and friends were kind of confused why I went all the way to Spain. I really have never talked about being a yoga instructor before, and I saw Lucas's video on Facebook one night and I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Spain and be a yoga instructor. My name is Bridget Gibbs and I'm a yoga instructor at YOGABODY Fort Worth. So I discovered the yoga trapeze. I was actually having to go back to Spain on my second immersion, and they were having a class and they had 1 spot open. And I thought, well, I'm flying all the way to Spain. I might as well, I bought one of these things and had no clue how to use it. And after taking the class, I was just like, I have to teach this. I cannot wait to get back. And I literally, as soon as I got back to Texas, I took everything out of my shop and just started putting beams in here and just hung 20 swings in my studio, and just the people will come. If you build it, they will come. So the people that would benefit from the yoga trapeze is basically anybody. I have people in their 80s, I have athletes, I have bodybuilders, I have just regular people who are just trying to advance their practice. I can take people who can't get into back bends on the floor, or they don't have the strength to do certain things on the floor, and they can build that strength in their posterior chain muscles so they can maybe hold a wheel on the floor. Being able to make somebody go upside down and just have that trust themselves, and then when they do it, they're so excited, and I just love that. We just started the studio very recently. We're already growing like crazy. We've got athletes coming, we've got all kinds of events happening out here. We did a live stream tonight, which was a lot of fun, and people were commenting on the class, so yeah, I see big things happening here.